Hey there, friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage tonight, doing a little bit of goofing around. I've got a new package coming in from our buddy Derek over at Derek's Adventures. This is he was paring down his collection a little bit, and he made me a really good deal on this gun, at least what I think is a really good deal on this gun. I have not even cracked the tape on this box yet. We're going to do this together. He said he took it apart to kind of make the box a little bit smaller to save on shipping a little bit, so I'll probably have to cut the camera off and put it together, but let's unpackage it and see what we get. You guys already seen the thumbnail, or the title in the thumbnail, and I know what it is too, so but all right, so there's the action. Let's see, everything looks good there. So I got this new Ozark trail knife here, one of the Christmas special knives. Really, so I thought I saw the new ones they came out with before the Christmas specials came out, and I was like, oh boy, I hope this isn't something we're gonna be not liking. Uh-oh, because there's supposed to be a front sight in there. Hopefully it may have just popped off there. Rear sight's there and fine. Alright, the rest of the action looks good. So we have a BSA Meteor Super. There is this one's in 22 caliber. Let me set this down over here for a minute. Nothing down in the box. Let me see if it's anything in this piece of... Nothing in there. I don't remember if he mentioned anything about that or not. Alright. Oh, we got some stuff taped in here. I see. Yeah, I think I see that. But so this has got a really nice. Oh, who makes these? The M there. I can't remember the name who makes these stocks for BSA. Make them for a couple other companies too. So let me open up this little bag of goodies here. All right, yeah, our front sight blade's right in there, so that's good. That was good thinking, Derek. All right, so we got all our stuff here. I'm gonna cut the camera off just for a minute, get this stuff all put together, and then we'll come back and we'll take a few shots across the garage here, see what we got going on here. 22 caliber ought to be a lot of fun. So stand by. Alrighty, I am back. I got the actually I got the gun put together. I touched base with Derek while I had the camera off, and he said he wasn't sure about that blade, that it was the right one for this gun, which is no big deal. So I went ahead and mounted the scope up that I was going to mount on here anyway to take out to the range. Got it sighted in a little bit, probably not perfect, but we'll go ahead and take a few shots with it, and we'll call it good for tonight. We'll get this guy out to the range this weekend and see what we can do. So this is the Orc Air 3 to 9 by 40. Have a little splatter burst downrange here. Almost zeroed, but really pretty cool gun. Very happy with it. I may just take that front sight right off of there, the base for it. It does have a thing where you could mount a suppressor up on the end there too if you wanted to. So that's pretty cool. But there you go, the BSA, what's that, Meteor, Super Meteor, I guess is what it is. Made in England. I don't have many guns that were made in England. You have a few though. Got that got a Webley Typhoon over there. That was an English gun. Oh, what else do I have? I can't even think right now. Yeah, not bad for offhand shooting, but there you go. And also that is a Minelli stock. I couldn't think of what it is. Minelli makes stocks for quite a few air gun companies now, but Minelli is also a big firearms stock maker too. So really, really nice stuff. They do very, very nice work. So very pretty gun. But anyway, thanks Derek for sending this over for us. Well, for selling it to me anyway. And we'll be having a lot of fun. We'll get this out to the range and definitely put it through its paces. I was just shooting Crossman Premier Hollow points out here for today, but we'll be testing it with a bunch of other stuff down the road. So hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.